Insta360 is back with the brand new Insta360 X6. But this time, they didn't just recycle the same old body and slap a new label on it. We're looking at a more compact design, larger 1/1.1 inch sensors, faster 8K recording, improved low-light capabilities, a bigger battery, Dolby Vision support, and an upgraded replaceable lens system. Yet, with its close ties to the X5, the big question remains. Is this a must-have major upgrade, or are these features more impressive on paper than in real-world use? Let's dive in. Starting with the form factor, the X6 is noticeably shorter and slightly wider than its predecessor, making it significantly easier to slide into a pocket or mount on a selfie stick for travel. Weighing in at 197 grams, it remains exceptionally lightweight. Remarkably, Insta360 managed to shrink the body while packing in a larger battery and bigger sensors. On the back, you'll find a vibrant 2.3-inch OLED touchscreen. In a notable design shift, physical buttons beneath the screen have been replaced with haptic feedback touchscreen controls. While a clean look, traditionalists using gloves or shooting blindly might miss physical buttons, though the haptic response makes remote mounting far more practical. The biggest hardware leap lives inside the body. Two custom 1/1.1-inch square Sony sensors, one behind each lens, outclassing the X5's 1/1.28-inch sensors. Larger sensors capture significantly more light, which has historically been the Achilles heel for 360-degree cameras at night or indoors. Combined with newer AI-powered processing and PureVideo mode, the X6 drastically reduces image noise and preserves fine details in tricky lighting. While it won't replace a full-frame mirrorless sensor in pitch-black environments, the low-light leap for a camera this size is genuinely impressive. On the video front, the headline feature is 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second in full 360 mode, a major bump from the X5's 8K 30 cap. This gives action shooters and travel creators room for smooth slow-motion execution, downsampled into a standard 30 frames per second project. A quick reality check for creators. Editing 8K 50 footage requires a robust computer setup, as most smartphones will struggle with the sheer file sizes. Furthermore, for US creators where 60 frames per second is the standard broadcast baseline, 50 frames per second has a slightly narrower utility, though it still provides solid flexibility. For everyday travel, camping, or night rides, the combination of high-res capture and clean low-light performance changes the game. Photography. Stills get a massive boost with 120-megapixel, 360-degree photos, $15,520 backslash times $7,760 resolution, giving you near-limitless freedom to reframe shots post-capture without compromising detail. InstaFrame 2.0, one of the most practical workflow additions for solo creators. You can record yourself while the camera automatically tracks your movement and spits out a ready-to-use 16:9 or vertical video, all while preserving the raw 360 file in the background if you want a manual override later. Software ecosystem. The Insta360 app remains powerful, yet deeply feature-packed. AI-assisted editing, auto-reframe, and director tools help cut hours of manual editing down significantly, though a learning curve remains. Durability has also been dialed in. The X6 is waterproof down to 20 meters without an external housing. More importantly, it keeps the user-replaceable lens system. A single drop on a rock won't turn your hardware into an expensive paperweight. You can simply swap the scratch glass module out. Battery endurance gets a welcome lift too, housing a larger battery that pairs with efficient processing and standard USB-C charging to keep you shooting longer without constantly swapping cells. So, should you rush out to buy one? If you're coming from an older X3, an original GoPro Max, or a legacy 360 camera, the jump in image fidelity, low light handling, and workflow efficiency makes the X6 an absolute no-brainer. If you're currently shooting on an X5 and are happy with its performance, the X6 is more of a refined evolution than a revolutionary leap. It fixes nearly every minor weak point of the previous generation rather than reinventing the wheel. Ultimately, the Insta360 X6 cements its place as one of the best consumer 360 cameras on the market, packing professional imaging, strong stabilization, and ultimate creative flexibility into a cleaner, tougher package. Are you upgrading your 360S? A TUP this year, or sticking with your current gear? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.